Here is how we can take a full page screenshot on your Android device. Let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So let's say I open up a website through the Chrome web browser. It might be whatever, and yeah, I can capture the screenshot normally. So I'm going to press the side button as well as the volume buttons at the same time, which is going to capture a screenshot. And before it goes anywhere, you can see we have some controllers at the bottom. And then next to this screenshot, we have like this downward arrow, which I can click on it, and it's going to like scroll the web page, and it will add the new data to the screenshot, sort of, right? So I can click on it like that, and then the screenshot is getting bigger and bigger. It just like expands. And once I'm happy with it, I can actually save it, but you can see that the whole page can even be saved as a screenshot, which is the thing which I'm going after. If I decided to save it inside of my Photos app, you will be able to see that it's like a very thin and long picture, but this is exactly what we wanted to do. So yeah, I hope that I was able to explain and show you how it kind of works. By the way, it doesn't only work inside of the browser. Like you can, for example, go to other apps where there is scrolling available. For example, inside of the Play Store or whatever, right? In here, you have the ability to perform the very same gesture and get to the bottom of the page and capture the whole thing as a picture. So that is something which you can definitely do. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.